Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the RCA M27PG135F gaming monitor, a newcomer to the market from the storied brand RCA. Let's see if this monitor lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk specs. This monitor boasts a 27-inch IPS QHD panel with an impressive 240Hz refresh rate, making it perfect for fast-paced gaming. It also supports adaptive sync, HDR, and offers a wide gamut of colors, promising a vibrant and immersive visual experience. Assembly is a breeze with the M27PG135F. It ships in 3 parts, and with just a few bolts and a Phillips head screwdriver, you'll have it up and running in no time. Plus, with its fully adjustable stand and solid build quality, you can customize it to suit your ergonomic needs. Navigating the on-screen display is intuitive thanks to the joystick control, and the OSD offers a plethora of options to fine-tune your gaming experience. From basic luminance controls to advanced gaming features like aiming points and refresh rate indicators, this monitor puts you in the driver's seat. But how does it perform in action? Well, I'm happy to report that the M27PG135F delivers on its promise of top-notch gaming performance. With its lightning-fast response time, low input lag, and superb overdrive, gameplay is smooth as butter, even at 240 frames per second. Now, let's talk HDR. While the M27PG135F supports HDR10, it's worth noting that it doesn't offer any extra contrast for HDR content. However, its wide color gamut ensures that colors pop, providing a visually stunning experience whether you're gaming or watching movies. Beyond gaming, this monitor excels in productivity tasks thanks to its sharp image quality and ample screen real estate. While it may lack an sRGB mode and require some calibration out of the box, the M27PG135F's overall performance more than makes up for these minor shortcomings. In conclusion, the RCA M27PG135F gaming monitor may be a newcomer to the market, but it's already making waves with its top performance and colorful image quality. If you're in the market for a gaming monitor that delivers on both fronts, look no further than the M27PG135F. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!